Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. If Instagram has logged you out randomly from your Android or iPhone, we'll show you how to fix that. If you're using an Android, locate the Instagram app icon. Long press on it and tap the info icon from the resulting menu. Scroll down to tap on storage. Tap the clear cache option at the bottom right corner. Reopen the Instagram app after this and log into your account again. After this, Instagram should not log you out. If you're facing this issue on an iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app and scroll down to tap on General. Select iPhone storage from this menu. Scroll through your app list to locate the Instagram app and then tap on it. Tap the Offload app option and wait for your iPhone to clear temporary files associated with the app. After that, tap the Reinstall button. Once the app is reinstalled, sign into your Instagram account and check if the issue occurs again. It's important to note that such issues can also occur due to server-related problems. So, if Instagram keeps logging you out, use the link in the description to check Instagram's server status on Down Detector. If it's a major outage, you should see huge spikes on the outage graph. In that case, you must wait for Instagram to fix the issue on its end. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.